In this video, you are going to learn how to correct YouTube captions automatically generated from the speech to text YouTube algorithm. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, why are we doing this? We're doing this to maximize engagement with accurate, corrected, and captured captions. This makes a lot of difference. So what do you need? Just one thing, one Google account. If you don't have it, you can create it in a couple of clicks. We will provide the link. Then the big question is, how do you do that in practice? So let's have a look together. They said we sign in into Google. In this case, I will sign in with my email. Then I am presented with this console where I can do several things. First thing that I am going to do here is to look at the captions that are already here available. What I will have to do is to correct them as they go. And the first thing that I want to do is to click start so that I can hear what the video is saying and potentially finding mistakes. So far, so good. Let's say that now I want to correct this. I just need to type here. I just need to select this this cell and correct the word or the words that were wrong. Then I can click here and I can automatically move through the video. So the video is playing for me. I can hear it and I can spot problems. Now, an interesting way to speed this up is to use the shortcuts provided by YouTube. Now, the one that you want to remember is this one, Shift Space, the one that I'm highlighting here, the last one, pause and play the video, which means that you can essentially, by typing Shift and Space, you can advance the video and you can stop the video in case you need to correct. This is very, 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 very fast. So in a nutshell, what did we learn? We learned that by looking at these captions and by listening to the audio, we are able to quickly correct videos. We don't need to type everything. We just need to spot the mistakes and spot the spell problems, and then click on the cell, update our text. And we can do it faster if we use these keyboard shortcuts, and in particular the Shift Enter shortcut. Hope you enjoyed this content. Thank you very much for listening.